A weather emergency in St. Louis this morning.
Sunday's rain is a record breaker.
They hope to have the power on later today, but again,
the AmerenUE territory is no stranger to severe weather. In all seasons, we know firsthand the damage and devastation storms can cause. When the weather is at its worst,
who'd go out on a night like this?
The employees of UE are at their best. The men and women of UE work around the clock in all kinds of conditions for days at a time to restore power for any of our 1.2 million Missouri customers in need.
But the next time destructive storms roll through our region, AmerenUE will have a whole new way to respond. Quantum weather, a groundbreaking collaboration between UE and St. Louis University. Quantum weather will arm linemen and other skilled responders with cutting-edge science from SLU's Department of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences, all for increased reliability for UE customers.
St. Louis University scientists expect quantum weather's precision forecasting to attract lots of attention.
It's something that meteorologists across the country are going to be interested in.
How does it work?
In the past, these sites, as you can tell, could be 50 to 100 miles apart. Our sites will now be more like 7 to 10 miles apart.
A dense network of weather monitors continuously feed data to scientists at the university, where they rapidly produce highly localized, neighborhood-by-neighborhood forecasts, right now exclusively for UE.
Hey, Bob, did we get the latest data from St. Louis University on the weather?
It's coming in right now.
With this information, UE managers know when and where to dispatch repair crews with unprecedented precision, even before the storms hit.
This goes in that second hole. You got to pinch them in and it'll stick out about yay far.
The solar-powered weather monitors are mounted on existing UE utility poles and transmit data over existing UE radio frequencies. Eventually, there will be 100 quantum weather monitors throughout the UE service territory.
I think this is a wonderful effort on behalf of AmerenUE and its Power On project. It will certainly benefit our constituents with better response and better weather tracking.
In the UE Storm Center, where every second counts, quantum has already proven its value.
We need to put about half of those at least down in southeast Missouri where the most damaging winds were.
It takes far more than raw data to make quantum weather work. In the labs at St. Louis University, scientists apply sophisticated meteorological models and analysis to the data, turning the numbers into narrowly focused forecasts never seen before.
AmerenUE is interested in very particular weather conditions, namely most often high wind gusts, icing conditions, and lightning.
Quantum weather is a perfect fit for the mission of St. Louis University.
The graduate students and faculty get a great tool to carry out some leading-edge research. And of course, the community benefits from the availability of this information to AmerenUE, resulting in faster restoration times.
And so this kind of gives us practice for forecasting if we want to get into the weather service, or say if we want to do media, local TV stations, or radio.
The fact that our students get an opportunity to take advantage of something that they would not normally otherwise see, the ability to work with AmerenUE as a company, with faculty members all together to produce a product that's unique, that nobody else has ever seen before.
In the future, the quantum weather system will overlay information about the presence of trees and power lines, providing an additional layer of critical information that can help UE prepare for the impact of severe storms and also plan for future improvements and expansion of UE's infrastructure, all to improve reliability for UE customers. Quantum Weather, a landmark partnership between St. Louis University and AmerenUE. Another way we listen, we respond, we deliver.